Auto accident survivors have been calling for a fix to Michigan's no-fault auto insurance reform passed in 2019.
They say there were unintended consequences that stripped them of care. Now there's a small victory in that fight.
13 on your side's Elena Holland is in the newsroom to tell us what it is.
Well, last week, a Washtenaw County judge ruled in favor of an accident survivor, granting a motion for his insurance to process all of his home care bills since the reform took place last year. The judge also called a portion of the reform unconstitutional.
It's about time.
Melissa Springsteen is an auto accident survivor, calling this ruling a win.
It means that we're being heard.
Last week, Washtenaw County Judge Archie Brown ruled in favor of accident survivor Stephen Jetta. He granted a motion ordering Stephen's home care bills to be paid for by his insurance company.
The judge also, in his order, stated that the law is unconstitutional.
Stephen Hulst was the attorney on the case. What the judge called unconstitutional was a fee schedule placed upon home care providers taking care of these survivors.
It's not binding precedent, it's a lower court case. Having said that, though, I feel like these types of decisions are persuasive and meaningful for other judges who are going to see these types of motions.
While it's a win, Melissa said it's not enough.
Legislature is the only one that can actually do anything about it.
Multiple bills have stalled in the State House and Senate floors, trying to fix the fee schedule and home care reimbursement caps. Things survivors say have drastically impacted their lives.
A lot of sad days.
Michigan's House Speaker Jason Wentworth said in March, at this point, it's time to move on about bills to change the reform, saying it could put drivers' savings at risk.
I also think it's critically important because it keeps the issue in front of our representatives in Lansing who can fix this, who can make it clear that it was never intended, this new law was never intended to apply to someone like Stephen and cut off his care.
And that attorney said he has many other cases and motions by accident survivors. And after this ruling, he expects to see more, especially as accident survivors reach their breaking points, trying to cover their care.